à tous, this is Anushka Man and I welcome you all to French One Stop. So in today's class, we are going to learn about the second group of verbs in French language, the IR verbs. So let's get started. IR verbs are those verbs which end with IR. For example, finir, remplir, choisir. So how are they used in French language? Let us see. So let us start with an example. Let's say finir. Finir. Finir means to finish something. Maybe finish your homework or just finish some task. Finir means to finish. Now in all the IR verbs, the first step is to form the root word from the main verb. So what we do is, in all these IR verbs, we first of all remove the R at the end. So we are left with the root word. In the case of finir, when we remove R, we are left with the root word fini, F-I-N-I. Now that we have got the root word, we add certain endings to this root word based on the pronoun or based on the subject. So let's see how. So on the screen you are able to see the conjugation of finir. With je we add s, with tu we add s, with il and l we add t, with nous we add double s, ons, with vous we add double s, ez, with il and l, we add double s, ent. So how do we pronounce these? Je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. Let me repeat it for you. Je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. So that's how we conjugate IR verbs. Let us take one more example. Choisir. Choisir means to choose. So let us see how it will be conjugated. So first of all, we will remove the R from choisir and obtain the root word. C-H-O-I-S-I, choisir. This is our root word. Now, we are going to add certain endings to this root word. And how will we conjugate it then? Je choisis, tu choisis, il choisit, elle choisit, nous choisissons, vous choisissez, elles choisissent, elles choisissent. Let me repeat. Je choisis, I choose, tu choisis, you choose, il choisit, he chooses, elle choisit, she chooses, nous choisissons, we choose, vous choisissez, you choose, ils choisissent, they choose, elles choisissent, they choose. I hope now you have a basic understanding as to how the IR verbs are conjugated. So your assignment for today is that you are going to try and conjugate two more verbs ending with IR. Remplir, which means to fill, réussir, réussir, which means to succeed. The answers to both these verbs will be given in a document which is in the description box. But I want you all to first practice conjugating these verbs by yourself and then refer to the document to check your answers. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to comment your doubts below. I'll be really happy to answer them all. So see you in the next video. Au revoir.